Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Umanish Chatrat ubadai secretary ka EICC badai pet ya ka Jilla Meghalaya ulong bakum ka Seng san partai ka bahe bat ka balarim tam hapo kari ka Seng Congress kan penyeng kertong ha Baroh Tylli ki Konstitwensi baru ulong ba an pentikena ba ka Seng kan yo jingjap ha ki babun ki Konstitwensi. Ha ka bayade ba ka jingjiet ki kertong man penyeng ha ka election house nam arajar arpolai umanish ulong ba ka Seng kan jiet ki kertong thik pathik kat kum ki rukom tre kam ka Seng ha ka ba ka Seng kan sa penong de ki election batling ba ki election ba an sa penong an sa pha ki kerteng part sha ka All India Congress Committee.
It is too early to say anything on this. As a political party, as a oldest political party in the country, I would say, we are going to fight all the 60 seats and we will ensure we get the majority.
Thank you.
When do we expect that the Congress party will declare the list of the candidates who will contest in the next MLA election?
So we have a process. We have a Pradesh election committee at the state level. Then we have an election which goes to the PCC. They'll have their meetings. They'll pick up names. They'll shortlist some names. Then they'll send those names to All India Congress Committee, where there will be a 4 or 5 member screening committee consisting of a chairman, 1 or 2 members, and in charge, and PCC president. That all this is after the elections are announced, or maybe 10-15 days before that, and then it goes to the Central Election Committee, which is a apex body of the Congress for selecting the candidates. So this is the process, and we go by the process only.
Habakali hakabaya David ki sanwat ki MLE ki bla saspan haka Seng babalay ka Seng kam shube no yaki nakaliang uba Vincent H Pala ubadai president jong ka MPCC ulong ba ki dadon de ki ro kompanyat kam ban be si sendan ni ban saspan yaki badya menta ka te ka kam kadangdan hapadeng ka jingya chakaman.
We have written a letter to them and asking them to clarify or to answer, and we have called explanation. So they did not reply, and it was in the press that they said they are not going to reply. So that person that Congress did not give them a chance doesn't arise.
2018 when the election was fought, we mentioned repeatedly that old wine in new bottles when a lot of legislators left Congress and joined other political parties. So this time what will be the Congress thing, because a lot of fresh faces are coming. So what will be the
lot of fresh faces, lot of educated people, lot of like-minded people who really need and believe in development of the state are going to join. We are already in the process, and they are very keen to not only fight for the party as a candidate, just also to support and help the candidates of the party.
Is the Congress believing that it is better to start afresh instead of rotten fruits, taking them back?
First of all, we are not saying anything like that, what you are saying. So this is not our statement. Our DNA of the Congress party is not to demean anybody. We are not like that. Somebody who is gone, we wish them luck also. We are not against anybody. That was their choice. But now we are organizing ourselves. We have good people, we have good faces, we have good talent, and we have a good solid organization as compared to any other party in the state. So we don't need to worry, they need to worry.
Umanish uloong bakidan kibri kibamdan ka jingnang jingtep shapang ka san Hima sima kashuki ne kino henrei kila banthau sarkar pat hakeleng ki Jilla bat ka Seng Congress ka bedai ka Seng kabala rimtam bat kabala dan ya kerukom trekam bat kumta habakut ka sngi ki pat ba ka Jilla ki kwa ya ka jingkala bat ki iet ya ka Seng Congress.
Party is not only of legislators. Party comes from the organization, and then you become corporators, you become MDCs, you become MLAs. Definitely you're right, they have left, those who have left, and some were suspended also. So now, as elections are approaching in next 7 to 8 months, we have our own strategy in place, and there'll be few surprises. A lot of people they're wanting to join also, but as of now, let's keep it as a surprise only. I don't know, nobody is in touch with me. Maybe if somebody has spoken to Balaji, I don't know, but we have suspended them.
Why not expelling them?
We have a process how to expel and we have a process how to suspend. So we are in the process of.
I wanted to ask you, how confident are now? You look very confident. How confident are you in the run-up to the election? Because you don't have a single MLA. Government situation is part of how will you ensure that?
I don't want to give you any examples. I can give you example right now here. There were people with no political background, no seat, nothing, and they formed the governments. You must have seen in different states. So, but we are one of the oldest party. We have our organization intact. We have our vote base also. And I know that end of the day, the people of this beautiful state are looking for a change and they love Congress.